Oppo has officially announced today that the Oppo Find X9 series phones Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will be introduced at an event in China on October 16th. These will be one of the first batch of phones that will be equipped with the Dimensity 9500 flagship chip and run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. Oppo shares first camera sample from Find X9 Pro's 200MP periscope. Oppo Find X9 Pro will come with an optional Hasselblad imaging kit. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera using Sony's Leica LYT828 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 200MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom using Samsung's ISOCELL HP5 sensor. For selfies, 50MP camera Samsung ISOCELL JN5. Oppo Find X9 Pro is feature a 6.78-inch flat OLED LTPO display with a 1.5K resolution. It will come with 2.5D curved glass and an R-angle design, offering a clean and modern front look. The Oppo Find X9 Pro will feature a large 7,500 mAh battery, with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, as well as IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.